if your dreads falling down on your face is the looks that you're aiming for, like mine, no relaxation required, no cushioning those manipulation required. It's easy. Um, I discovered that by chance. All you have to do is get in the shower, get your hair wet, and what happens is when your dreads get wet, they become heavy, right? And when they become heavy, they tend to fall down on your face. So I was in the shower and my dress got wet and they became heavy and they fell down on my face. I got out of the shower and I dried them out with a towel and everything. They stayed the whole day like this. So I had to repeat the process every time that I wanted to have that I wanted to rock this look, like having them like on falling down on my face. But after a while, when I was like really like starting to appreciate the look and be like, oh, I would like this look, like, so I I repeated the process like for a week or two. So what I would recommend you is like get in the shower, get your hair wet, and when they become heavy, while you're in the shower, shake them, and because like that's gonna help them like stretch even more. Because like when they heavy because they have water in them, and you shaking your head, they stretching, they stretching, and like when they fall down your face, they're gonna look longer, and you're gonna appreciate the length even more. So get in the shower, repeat the process for a week or two. You can do it every day. Do it every day, and it's just gonna become their natural state. But if you just do it like today and you don't do it like for like a week until the next week, you might just have like your dread fall down your face just like for 1 day or 2 days. It all depends. But if you really want them like to stay like this, I would recommend you to do this for a week or two. And you could there's another way to do that. You could use moisturizer, not a moisturizer like Vaseline. You could use like a liquid moisturizer. But the side effect that comes with that is there's gonna be a lot of residue in your hair, and because you're gonna have to use a lot of quantity so that your dreads become heavy and be able to fall down your face. Because of the quantity, you're gonna have a lot of buildups, a lot of residue in your hair and your dreads, and that might get your hair to break, your dreads to break, and you don't want your dreads to fall out, right? So this is the reason why I would always recommend anybody to go with the first one, water. Just get in the shower, get your dreads wet, and when they become heavy, they're gonna fall down your face. And repeat that like for a week or two. Or if it needed, I don't think so, probably like 3 weeks. And that's gonna become their natural state. Don't forget to comment down below, let me know about your process when you do it, and if you have any other advice on how to let your dreads falling down your face like mine. If you did it any other way, let me know. Comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and see you next time.